Welcome to 1801 Lakeside Ranch Road, a true gem in Georgetown, Texas. I'm Daum, fortunate to be a realtor in Central Texas. Let's go have a look. Step right up to this gorgeous one-story home on a corner lot where curb appeal meets Texas charm. The beautifully landscaped front yard and inviting entryway set the stage for what's inside. The open concept great room is filled with natural light from the impressive wall of windows, so perfect for entertaining friends or relaxing with family. Notice the high ceilings and cozy fireplace where you can watch the flames curl and sway. Imagine movie nights or holiday gatherings right here. Let's check out the kitchen, every chef's dream, with a gleaming gathering island, stainless steel appliances, recessed and pendant lighting, mosaic backsplash, and so much counter space and cabinetry. And the open concept breakfast area with designer lighting. This kitchen is ready for everything, from pancake breakfasts to gourmet dinners. This fabulous one-story home features 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 luxurious bathrooms, plus a half bath. 2 of the secondary bedrooms have a Jack-and-Jill bath, and 1 of the secondary bedrooms is an ensuite. So this house was designed with comfort and style in mind. The bedrooms are spacious, as are the closets. The primary suite is your private retreat, complete with a spa-like bathroom and a walk-in closet that will make you smile every morning. The primary bath features separate double vanities, an oversized shower with bench, mosaic tile, and a soap holder. Also, an elegant soaking tub with mosaic tile. The laundry room is large, and an extra feature is the cabinet area outside the laundry room for extra storage or to use as a folding area. Doing laundry could be fun. Well, no. And speaking of extra storage, check out this amazing storage room. Who couldn't use this space? Now, step out back to your own slice of paradise. The covered patio is perfect for summer barbecues, and the expansive backyard offers plenty of space for pets, play, or even a future pool. Located in the sought-after community of Lakeside in Georgetown, Texas, you'll enjoy nearby parks and easy access to Lake Travis for boating and outdoor fun. Shopping, dining, medical, and entertainment are literally just minutes away. Thank you for taking the tour of 1801 Lakeside Ranch Road in Georgetown, Texas. If you're ready to make this cheerful, welcoming home your own, give me a call. I can't wait to help you start your next chapter right here.